First, let's take a look at a really bad case of tonsil stones. Tonsil stones are calcifications of debris in the back of the throat. This is a tonsil stone removal tool I picked up on Amazon for about 15 bucks. It easily and safely removes tonsil stones, and I'll put a link in the description below. One way to cure tonsil stones is a tonsillectomy, but removing your tonsils can be very difficult and painful as an adult. Don't forget to subscribe for new medical procedures, videos, and popping every single week. Thanks for watching, everyone.